the TSC classroom. I am Tathagato. Hi friends, today I am going to teach you the shortcut method of differentiation or derivative. Here is the sum. दोस्तों देखो ये sum क्या है? The sum है y equals to root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x plus up to infinite. दोस्तों we can write this sum as root over sin x plus y. Because दोस्तों देखो if we deleting the root over sin x, then the remaining terms are root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x. This can be written as y. Then squaring both sides, we have y squared is equal to sin x plus y. Differentiating both sides, we have ddx of y squared is equal to ddx of sin x plus dy dx. It implies 2y dy dx is equal to cos x plus dy dx. This implies dy dx into 2y minus 1 is equal to cos x. Then the answer is dy dx equals to cos x minus cos x by 2y minus 1. This is the conventional method and it is quite time taking method. Such questions will come in any competitive exam like JEE, WBJEE, JEE Main, Advanced, etc. So we have to think how the time can be synced. Therefore दोस्तों मुझे शॉर्टकट अप्लाई करना है. क्या है shortcut method? Now I am showing the shortcut method. Here is the shortcut method. If y equals to root over fx plus y, then dy dx is equal to f dash x divided by 2y minus 1. I am repeating again. If y equals to root over f of x plus y, then dy dx is equal to f dash x whole divided by 2y minus 1. Applying this shortcut, we have to solve the previous problem. The previous problem was y equals to root over sin x plus root over sin x plus root over sin x plus up to infinity. Then y equals to root over sin x plus y. This implies we can apply the shortcut formula. The shortcut formula is y equals to root over fx plus y, then dy dx equal to f dash x whole divided by 2y minus 1. Here fx equal to sin x. Then the answer is dy dx is equal to ddx of sin x divided by 2y minus 1. The answer will be cos x by 2y minus 1. Here's the shortcut method. It is very shortest method. We consume the time and time is a big factor to cope up this such examination. I have a second problem. Here is the second problem. The second problem is, if y equals to root over x plus root over x plus root over x plus up to infinite, then dy dx is equal to option A 1, option B 1 by xy, option C 1 by 2y minus x, option D 1 by 2y minus 1. These types of questions came in the joint entrance examination. Then we have applied the shortcut method. Y equals to root over x plus y. Then dy dx is equal to ddx of x whole divided by 2y minus 1 is equal to 1 by 2y minus 1. The answer is option D. Here's the shortcut method. This can be applied in any competitive exam like JEE, NDA, CDS, JEE Main, Advanced, etc. तो दोस्तों ये देखते रहे मेरा शॉर्टकट प्रोग्राम और मैजिकल प्रोग्राम ऑफ मैथमेटिक्स. इफ एनी डाउट प्लीज comment me in my comment box, and I will come tomorrow with more shortcut of derivative, integrals, etc. So thank you.